Hi everyone, I want to welcome you to our new home, Barangay VA, 10 times better than before. So this is like a one-stop shop for everyone. And once you log in, guys, okay, you will see the feed, right? You can do stories. By the way, pwede to sa desktop, pwede to sa tablet, pwede to sa phone. And very soon, guys, gagawin ko siyang app. So, abangan. So, you'll see the link in the description box. Save the link because you will use it talaga until like, itong ano na to, itong app na to ay talagang pangmalakasan at makatulong talaga sa inyo sa feed journey niyo. So, you will see here the feed. Ayan, you can post here if you want. Okay, for my approval naman lagi yan, pero I'm sure basta very educational, very helpful. Ayan, you guys can post anything there and I will approve that. Okay? From there, okay, you'll see my welcome message here. And then, ang exciting part ay nandito sa kaliwa. Okay? So you will see here forum kung saan pwede tayong gumawa ng mga topics na very healthy, nothing toxic, and talk about it. For example, share your favorite AI tool. Mine is Base44. Ayan. By the way, ako lang gumawa nito at ginamit ko ang app na Base44. Diba? Is an AI tool to. So you can create a new topic and, make a discussion and we all respond. Ayan, no? Courses. Of course, we have courses. We have 15 courses for you. Diba? Pack. Diba? Next, challenges. You remember the Zero to VA challenge? Guys, hinimay-himay ko na I made it better. And I made it in a way na mas, hindi nakaka-pressure at mas, at mas, at mas madali para sa inyo. So, it's already 5 parts. So, there's level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, and level 5. Make sure you go through all level one by one. Okay? So, para makita yung ganyan, no? So, very easy. Very easy lang, guys. So, mag-level 1 ka muna, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5. Okay? So, ganyan ang labanan. Make sure you finish all 5. And, talagang seryosohin yung challenge na ito. Kasi, kung gusto nyo matuto kung paano magsimula sa VA, ito na yun. Andito na lahat. Kompleto. Next, one-on-one session soon. I'll be doing one-on-one coaching session ngayon. Pero close pa kasi to kasi nagpapahinga ako. Pero I will announce. Pero this is paid ha. Paid ito guys na coaching session. Next is events. Dito ko ilalagay yung mga future events at yung past. No? So I'm gonna put future events here. And then you can register. You can save with your Google Calendar. Next, jobs. Nandito na po ang job board. Ayan, I will update some of the jobs here within the week. Huwag kayo mag-alala. Pero itong mga to nandito pa po yan. Yes, it is legit, no? Pwede kang mag-lion view, pwede kang mag-grid view. Ayan, no? Okay, if you wanna post a job, no? Kung may job open, just click post a job and then for my approval lang naman yan. So go for it. Okay, go for it. Ano lang kayo, post lang kayo, ako mag-approve yan sa back-end. Where to apply? Andito ang list ng mga VA agencies pang entry level, ayan, pang experienced, ayan, by specialization like VA agencies, admin general VA, staffing, social media, bookkeeping, healthcare, ayan, nandito. So, at hindi pa naman to lahat, pero at least nandito yung some you can explore. Ito favorite ko, digital tools and documents. So, you can download all these. Nandito yung mga invoice template, contract template, application tracker, Barangay VA Physical Blank Planner. Ito yung pwede mong i-download, download tapos i-print mo lang. Tapos meron ka ng mga weekly, monthly, and daily Barangay VA Planner. And then yung Barangay VA Planner na digital, ito yung latest na binigay ko sa inyo. Very helpful. And Barangay VA Niche Founder or Finder. Not Founder, Finder. Lahat po yan libre. At ito pa, useful work from home tools. Lahat ng mga tools na pwede nyo maisip nandito, guys. Andito lahat. So, andun na rin yung mga website. Just click visit, no? Almost everything. Work, desk finds, ito yung mga ginagamit ko na I believe na talagang pangmalakasan na ginagamit ko talaga. So you can buy it here. Nandito yung mga links. Dadagdagan ko pa yan. BVA partners, nandito yung mga partners natin. Si Coconut, Plus 40, iGlobe, and Greenpoint. And then of course, wins. Pag may mga small wins ka, share your win here. Walang problema. Share your win. And then just write something about it, add an image, doesn't matter. And then i-post lang natin dyan. Members, you'll see all the members here. You can always connect, 'di ba? You can connect to a member. Just go to the full profile, and then you can always connect and message. Next, Ask Jam. This is an AI. I'm not always available, but you ask anything about freelancing, VA, or remote work, it will answer, no? Pero syempre, i-triple check nyo pa rin yan kasi AI to. And then messages, nandito yung mga messages mo if someone messages you. Okay, so ito yan overall. Ito yung phase 1, guys. And yes, meron tayong stories. Okay, meron tayong stories. Pwede ka mag-share ng stories dito. And then dito sa kanan, ito yung mga preview kung ilan tayo sa community, yung latest events, at saka yung mga latest job postings and yung mga latest community forums nandito. So guys, andito din yung link ng ating Slack community. Sana na-excite kayo kagaya ko sa tagal ko tong binild. As in like, binild ko to mag-isa. At saka by the way, mention dark mode here, oh. Pak! Oh, you like it for you? 'Di ba? So yan. So sana po ay talagang seryosohin niyo ito, lalo na yung profile niyo. Kasi ang makakapasok dito ay mga future clients too. Okay? You put your portfolio here, experience, achievements. Para siyang LinkedIn na rin. 'Di ba? Para siyang LinkedIn. So, at least nandito yung mga, baka may mga mag-hire sa inyo dito eventually, 'di ba? So, alam mo na yan, pang malakasan yan. So, guys, thank you so much. Again, the link of this is in the description box. Sana makatulong. I'm very excited for everyone. Thank you and see you inside the community. Bye po!